in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable voice-to-text mode on iPhone Air. If you wanna type with your voice, then it's gonna be pretty simple. Let's go to settings to make sure that we have it. We should get to General, then get to the keyboard, and now go to Keyboard. And make sure that you have a language here that you're gonna speak in. So I have English, I'm gonna speak English. Let's see, you can see if you want more languages, you can add them here. And now let's go to anywhere where you want to do it. Let's start a new message. And now all you need to do to start typing with your voice is select the field. Now make sure that the correct keyboard is selected if you have multiple languages, and click on the dictation button, this microphone button. Now I'll need to enable dictation. And you can share analytics to Apple to let them improve it. I'll share it. And now, as you can see, when I start talking, when I start saying anything, then it writes it down. And as you can see, it works pretty great. It also sometimes fixes some words later on after saying them when it learns the context. Basically it's done. So I'll try finishing by just clicking on this button right here. And yeah, if there's some problem, like for example this great, and I can click on it and replace it with something else that it thinks may have been said as well, like that. I'll remove that second context because I said it twice. Yeah, and as you can see, it's done. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.